Let me quickly show you how to clear the cache in Jio Hotstar. If you're facing any kinds of issues in the Jio Hotstar platform, whether it be difficulty in logging in or using the app in general, a simple way to fix it could be by clearing the cache. So if you're using an Android device, you can just tap and hold the application and head over to this eye icon. From the settings inside of your phone, you'll see the application of Jio Hotstar and all of the settings that you can manage. In order to clear the cache, you'll be able to see the option which is clear data on the bottom right. If you tap on the clear data option, you'll have two options again, the clear all data option and clear cache option. If you tap on the first one, it's going to remove all of your data inside of Jio Hotstar, such as any movies or series that you may downloaded, and is also going to log you out. But in order to clear the cache only, tap on the clear cache option and all of the caches stored inside of Jio Hotstar will be immediately cancelled out and will be removed from your phone. So that's the simple process of clearing the cache in Jio Hotstar. Do give this video a thumbs up if you found this video to be helpful, and also make sure to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified for more informative videos just like this. That's all for this one. I'll see you in the next tutorial.